maybe it started with that original group of 7, and we had kind of come together for a couple weeks, and finally one of the guys said, well, we either got to decide whether we're going to do it or we got to get off the pot. So we said, let's have a round table and decide whether we're in. So we thought that was going to last about 10 minutes, but that ended up lasting 2.5 hours. You know, each put, oh, this is a huge opportunity. I mean, we see this as, we could build this into a great company. You know, I'm in. You know, and the next guy, I'm in. It was such a magical feeling. And one of the things we said at that moment was, you know, whether it's employee number 8 or 80 or 8,000, whenever anybody joins the company, we want them to have this feeling, and we want them to be a founder of the company. And I think that's one of the key, you know, moments in terms of defining that culture from day one.